Okay, welcome back to the Leblanc overhaul. I have all the keys here. Well, all the keys except for those that don't take any pads or corks. Well, they have corks. I'll go get them. So, I know it's been a while. I've been busy doing other things. I've had to kind of let Project Hordes go by the wayside. This is how I use a lot of the fine detail work for the contact cement that I use. In this little thing. I got this from J.L. Smith, and I use that for a lot of the little detail stuff, like big things like tenon corks. I'll use it with a bigger brush. Let me go ahead and I've got a piece of 32, 1/32, and 1/16. I've got other cork scraps over here. But let's get to painting. Okay, here we go. This is what I use. This is the Freeze contact cement that I just keep on refilling. I actually just keep refilling this jar. And it sticks, so we have a pair of inexpensive channel locks, small channel locks. And we will save the installation of the pads for another day.